Welcome to this explainer. Listen, if you're looking to completely transform how you interact with AI, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're exploring the actual mechanics of AI prompt engineering. We're specifically going to look at how powerhouse tools like ChatGPT and Claude can be used to write high-converting ad copy and highly effective business scripts. Okay, let's dive into this. Are your AI prompts actually converting? I mean, it's a critical question, right? Because literally anyone can open up a chatbot, type in some vague sentence, and get a neat little paragraph back. But is that text actually driving sales? Is it capturing any real attention? The harsh reality is that unrefined basic inputs lead directly to bland, totally ineffective outputs. If your prompts aren't deliberately engineered for high conversion, you are leaving massive potential on the table. Let's look at how to fix that. So, we're talking about precision prompting. This is the deliberate practice of engineering AI instructions to generate highly effective, conversion-focused copywriting. And I really want you to notice the words deliberate and engineering here. We aren't just casually chatting with a bot anymore, we're programming it. It's the difference between saying, hey, write an ad for running shoes versus act as a direct response copywriter to write a 100-word Facebook ad specifically targeting competitive marathon runners. Precision is the ultimate bridge between basic AI functionality and a high-conversion reality for your business.
Here's a quick look at our agenda for today. First, the precision prompting edge. Second, ChatGPT and Claude. Third, high-converting ad copies. Fourth, crafting business scripts. And finally, mastering AI copywriting. Let's get right to it.
Section 1. The precision prompting edge.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how mastering this edge actually plays out in the real world. First off, it completely evolves past basic prompt usage. You aren't just asking the AI for a favor, you're providing strict structural commands. Second, it centers entirely on high conversion metrics. That means every single word you feed the AI is deliberately designed to trigger an output that persuades. Maybe you're dictating a really specific emotional hook or limiting the character count for maximum punchiness. And finally, it transforms standard copywriting into engineered precision. You are literally architecting the text before the AI even starts writing.
Moving on to Section 2, ChatGPT and Claude. ChatGPT and Claude serve as your primary engines for prompt engineering and high-conversion copywriting. And while they are distinct, incredibly powerful models in their own right, the big secret here is that absolutely neither of them will write high-converting copy on autopilot. They are just sitting there waiting for your explicit instructions. Your job is to learn how to drive both of these engines to their absolute limits. For instance, you might use Claude when you really need to dial in a very human, nuanced tone, while leveraging ChatGPT for building rigid, structural copywriting outlines. But either way, they require your precise input to produce the outputs you actually need.
All right, Section 3, high-converting ad copies.
Let's walk through this chronological workflow so you and your business can really leverage this. Step 1, you actively select either ChatGPT or Claude as your engine for the specific task at hand. Step 2, you apply those precision prompting principles. Guys, this is where the magic happens. You don't just ask for a generic ad. You specify the exact psychological hook, the target demographic, and the specific call to action. You might even constrain the AI to use a strict problem, agitate, solution format. Then, Step 3, the engine goes to work, generating high-converting ad copy that is actually ready to be deployed right now. It is a direct, totally repeatable pipeline. So the crucial point is, conversion is in the precision. It is absolutely not in the AI itself. The AI, it's just the vehicle. The conversion only happens because of the meticulous detail and exactness you engineered into that prompt long before you ever hit enter. Seriously, burn this phrase into your memory. Let's jump into Section 4, crafting business scripts. Okay, first things first, identify your business script goal. What exactly does this script need to achieve for you? Is it meant to simply inform your team, or is it designed to close a massive, high-stakes deal? Second, you engineer the prompt for ChatGPT or Claude. You have to feed the AI that very specific context. For instance, you could tell it to adopt the persona of a veteran sales director who's speaking directly to a highly skeptical executive board. Third, output a highly effective business script. By treating the AI like an engine that needs exact coordinates, you transform a vague idea into a tangible, polished script in record time. Finally, Section 5, mastering AI copywriting. And this brilliantly illustrates our core teachings today. Look at this as your true blueprint for mastery. To win here, you must leverage both ChatGPT and Claude effectively, fully understanding that they are powerful yet completely neutral engines. You must engineer precision into every single prompt, rather than treating it like a casual text thread. By doing this, you're going to be able to write high-converting ad copies consistently and craft compelling business scripts entirely on demand. All these pieces connect perfectly to form a really robust, reliable system for all your business copywriting needs.
So, I want to leave you with this provocative thought. Now that you have the precision prompting blueprint, what high-converting copy will you engineer first? The tools are sitting right there ready for you, and you now know the vital difference between a basic chat and a precisely engineered command. I highly encourage you to open up your AI of choice right now and start applying this today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep engineering those prompts, and I'll catch you next time.